Why the YouTube software is not working properly. Today we will discuss the complete details. Don't skip the video, watch the full video. Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Shaem Tech BD. Today I will discuss how to fix YouTube app won't play any video, something not working properly. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. Click settings. Click apps. Click app management. Find YouTube app. Click YouTube app. Click storage use. Click clear cache. Then click clear data. One thing you should know before clearing data is that if you have downloaded any video or audio in your YouTube app which you will watch later offline, it will be permanently deleted. Then click delete. Then open Google Play Store. Then search YouTube. Click YouTube app. If you get any update, please update. Hope your issue is resolved. If anyone still has problem, it might be server problem. Please try again after a while. Hope you understand. I have a request. If you are new to channel, please subscribe and stay with us. By watching my tutorial for more tech videos, you can subscribe.